Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Trojan bot versus Sol trading bot. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if we talk about the Trojan bot, you will get a limited DEX integration that is focused on specific Solana tokens. Next, you will also get basic real-time analytics that is suitable for quick trading insights. In Trojan bot, you will get order types like DCA with a focus on automation. On the other hand, Sol Trading Bot integrates with Jupiter, Okra, and Radium, offering broader DEX access. Also, you will get advanced engine for in-depth market analysis, trends, and price movement insights. Now, Sol Trading Bot also includes advanced options like WSOL Sniper, copy trading, and flexible limit on DCA orders. In conclusion, Trojan Bot is ideal for the experienced traders who want fast, automated Solana trading on Telegram. While Sol Trading Bot is perfect for both new and advanced traders needing DEX variety and customizable trading tools. So that's basically all about Trojan Bot versus Sol Trading Bot. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.